Welcome to part 6 of Bitovi Academy's Learn Docker training. With the concepts we've explored so far, trying to locally develop a containerized service is very slow. To test every code change, a developer would have to make the code change itself, destroy the existing container, rebuild the container, and then start it up again. In this video, we're going to look at using volumes to make that far more efficient. When a container is destroyed, any state is lost with it. Docker offers volumes, which can be mounted to a container, allowing data to be persisted outside of a container's standard lifecycle. This is especially useful for running databases in containers, but also allows us to not have to rebuild containers on every code change. To use volumes, we'll add the -v flag to our docker run command. So we'll run our regular docker run command with our name and port mapping and detached, and we'll add the -v flag, and we're going to map our host machine's source directory to the container's app/source directory and run my node app. Mounting our local source directory to the container's app source directory allows changes on either side, either from the host machine or within the container, to be reflected on the other. So let's test it. If we run docker logs -f to follow on my container, we can see our application running on localhost port 8000. We open up our browser to localhost port 8000, we'll see hello world. Now if we go into index.js and we change hello world to hello Bitovi and save it, you'll see in our Docker logs it immediately detected that change and restarted our server. So if we open our browser and refresh, it'll say hello Bitovi. And that's it. By simply mounting our source directory to the container's app source directory, we're allowing NodeMon to detect the code changes from our host machine and instantly restart our server. Next, we're going to be cleaning up our Docker file to make it ready for production.